I proposed a question about a year and a half ago on YouTube. How much would it cost to restore a first-gen F-body car if you did all the work yourself? Basically, you're going to absorb all the labor, but spend the money on parts. This car was in decent shape, but needed some work. You guys have seen it from the very beginning. You know what it took to get it to this point. We went over the top on a few items, a few things maybe we could have salvaged, but I just also had a timeline budget. I wanted to get it done. But anyway, to answer the question, how much did it cost? Well, the total is all in $24,895. Love it, hate, or indifferent. I don't think that's too bad for the condition of the car we have here behind us when it's done, and about 800 hours in labor. Now, fortunately, we're not going to tabulate that into the cost because you did all the work yourself. But if you figure $800 hours at 40 or 50 bucks an hour, that's a whole bunch of money. That's probably about what it would have cost to get a car done to this point at that level if you were to take it someplace to have someone do it for you. So nonetheless, I'm going to get some little before and after footage. We're going to do the final episode here of the Great Pumpkin here at the Vinyl Village Garage. So grab your popcorn, get a drink, and let's get this thing started. All right, now what we started with is a far cry from what we actually began with. Now, a lot of the panels I was able to recycle. We did do rear quarter panels, some trunk floor, frame rails, and main floor pan, but we kept the doors, the fenders, the hood, the cowling. I even kept the really cool bird glass here. I just couldn't go without that detail. Now, we have a few updates, couple of things that are custom mods to the car, like the dash color is not how it would have been from the factory. We went with an autumn bronze dash. I think it was a fantastic touch. Little chrome tips on the exhaust, the spoiler, with the Pontiac logo in the spoiler to kind of stay true to the Pontiac badge being on the rear of the car. Stuck with the white vinyl top. I wasn't sure about that at first, but I absolutely love it. Now, we didn't skip too many details. Even went as far as to buy the T3 bulbs. Now, this isn't a numbers matching restoration. This is just kind of an over the top, make it super clean, extra nice. Something you would basically really stand out when it goes to a car show. I mean, every nut and bolt, every system's been gone through, super cleaned up, and actually in fantastic shape. There's a mod there if you guys know what that is. It looks like a factory heater box, but it's not. We did do a disc brake conversion, so better stopping power, so it does handle a lot better. And then we updated it here with the Excel, remove the points, and did that there, so you don't have to worry about servicing the points anymore either. All new control arm bushings, all new suspension parts. This thing drives just like a brand new car. So that's going to do it with the old Great Pumpkin. She's 100% done, looking better than new. super happy with it. Of course, you guys, I hope you learned a lot, shared a lot of the story of this car coming back to life. I have a new project already in the garage, 1969 Firebird convertible. I'll release what we're going to happen to that thing here really soon, but I've been tinkering on just a little bit. And I also picked up another car, super top secret surprise, but you may have seen some little teasers on that thing, but you be the judge whether that's a good deal or not. But we'll dig into that a little bit later. So this car is 100% done, minus one last little piece that I want to install right here. This was on the gas pedal when I took delivery. It's going back on. It's kind of, I guess, say part of a cool little detail. It puts some, I guess, one of the original stuff back on the car. So I'm gonna put this on, drive this thing home, put it in the garage, and we will catch you guys next time. Well, hey everybody, you know, I kind of went on a rant how Pepsi was kind of leaving me hanging on my Orange Mountain Dew, so evidently someone must have heard me out in the video, and this is what I got. So one of my biggest fans here, well, I don't call him my biggest fan, he was going to send me this stuff, put you on top of the A-list for the Vinyl Village Garage, so huge thanks. And anyone else want to follow suit, I'll let you know where to send it. So anyway, let's get on back to the show. You know, is there anything really odd about the parking lot here at the Home Depot here locally? Yeah. I've heard of saving fuel and saving money, but that's a bit ridiculous. But anyway, whatever. Right, Ed?
Yeah.